Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is another special video, guys. At least I can have a little break from this building over here, so I'll be heading somewhere. Hi, how are you? You're fine? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. A little bit. You good? Yeah. Okay. Say hi. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys. Those are one of the kids. Bye. Thank you. Those are some of the kids. I really love kids. So they're actually playing down there. And today, I really feel like I can just go out alone and because of the neighbors making big musics, so I feel I can go out alone and just feel the pressure to be low. The pressure increases, the pressure decreases. So today I'll be just going out for having a short break alone, and because now even the baby is cool, calm, no much work compared to previously, so I'll be heading somewhere very special to go just enjoy a little bit, not really enjoying but just cooling. You know, sometimes no sleep, no relaxing, just nothing, everything just busy, cooking up and down, seeing everything, running some errands. So today being a Sunday, was like, oh man, the baby's asleep, everybody's in the house. I was like, okay, I just asked for a small permission, let me just move around and check on how everything is. So I'm going to catch up with friends and see how everything will be. So we'll be heading there before the sun goes down, and we'll be seeing how everything is. So watch this video to the end, and show subscribe, you like, you share. Road to 20,000 subscribers, and let's see what's happening. All right. park our machine here. Then we can proceed. So people just park their big machines here. So also me want to park mine over here. And then I think that way will be better. So welcome to Istanbul Pride Inn. It's one of the merchandise over here. So I think I'll just pass by over here, and I'll be heading to some place to meet my friends. One of our friends actually is being promoted to a very nice place, to Lamu. So yeah, so just like, okay, let us go and say a goodbye to him, and also feel free. So yeah, this best place, let's go and check. Very nice area, very serene environment, and very great. It's time to give myself a relaxing place. Okay, let's go. As always, you know, they have systems, and they have a better time actually. So you know, also it's Ramadan Kareem. So during 6:30 they have iftar, and at 4:30 they have what you call like sahur. So yeah, I'm just waiting for me to be picked out from this place so that I can proceed to where I'm going to meet my friends, and also just dip myself in the water, because it has been so much happening up and down, feeling so crazy, the head, you know, very hard. You know, these responsibilities, you know them, guys. So today is a free day for me to feel good, and then maybe on a Monday and a Friday we can just proceed. Ramadan unakuja sasa hivi. Yeah. Wacha niwaoneshe mandhari venye kunaenda. Tulikuja wajue, waelewe kenye nawaonesha na kenye nawaambia ni real. Aseti ni unajua watu wa Marekani muda mwingine wanafikiria ni vitu zingine. Yeah, so guys, this is how you see they have a very ample swimming pool, very nice place to chill, and the surrounding environment. Actually, their place here is one of the greatest. So you can swim here, come and relax over here. And also during the evening time, they always have what we call like a gym. So you do your gym inside the water. And also we have another merchandise on the other end. So we are going to a cave, but this is the corals over here, the way you see them. They are really great, and very nice. Hi.
Hello.
Yes.
Welcome.
Willis.
Welcome,
Alfred.
Fatma, the waitress at the cave restaurant.
Okay.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you. Yes, they are very nice, and also the soaking of water. It gives you a very African vibe of the rivers and everything. This is how you see everybody. Willis, how is everything over here? In how can you just market the area?
So in this place,
yes,
it's a nice place. Alongside the
ocean,
the ocean,
yes,
there is a nice place down there.
Yes.
But here at the cascade is our cascade bar.
Okay.
Here you can be able to enjoy the ice cream,
popcorns. Okay.
We have mocktails.
Okay.
And there's also our swimming pool.
Okay.
Which is big. You can be able to enjoy also.
Okay.
As you are heading down there,
yes,
you are heading to Istanbul.
Istanbul now.
Istanbul.
I love Istanbul.
Istanbul now is everything. So there from the entrance, there is a skull, a big head,
yes,
which is skull, which is the entrance.
Yes.
So there is also a crocodile
entrance
to the adults only.
Okay.
Up there, it's adults only, the place.
Okay.
That's a lounge.
Okay.
Where you can be able to relax.
Okay.
As you are taking the drinks, also enjoying the breeze and the view of the sea.
Ooh, wow, yeah. It's very nice, breathtaking.
Yeah. Actually, it's a nice place.
Okay.
So as you heading inside, first you get the Istanbul bar.
Okay.
You can be able to chill, you enjoy the drinks.
Okay.
Mocktails.
Yes.
We have fresh cheeses with favorite
tastes. African taste.
Yeah. Freshly blended.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I can just.
As you enter into inside,
Yes.
Now it's our Turkish restaurant.
Okay.
Where you can be able to enjoy all the kebabs. We
Kebabs.
have Adana kebab.
Okay.
Adana kebab, lamb and the beef means.
Oh.
Chicken kebab.
I thought also it's only like maybe Turkish because we were about Istanbul because it's the capital of Turkey.
It's Istanbul.
Yes.
But also we have Swahili dishes.
Oh, Swahili dishes over here.
Where you can be able to enjoy samaki wa kupaka.
Okay.
So that's fish in coconut sauce.
Sasa?
Yes.
Oh, our hostess. Hi. How are you? My name is Claude. Mercy. Oh, thank you. Let me just also enjoy the environment over here at Istanbul. Thank you. Okay.
So this is our entrance.
Okay. It's called Istanbul.
Istanbul.
You feel Turkey in Africa.
Yes. So yeah, now it's like you are in Turkey.
Okay.
So we have also
Okay, the entrance over here.
Yeah.
Very, very, very nice.
Yeah. So now we are entering.
We can go in.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Let's go in, guys.
So this is the entrance.
Yes. Going
The
to
lounge.
Oh, to the adults only.
Adults only.
What is comprising on the adults only?
So it's where you can have your privacy.
Okay.
If you don't want to share with many people here,
Yes.
you can have your privacy up there.
Okay.
Maybe you like to have a
Drink over here. Yeah. Let me just call my friends. Then we go. Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's the bar.
Simon, the
Simon.
barman,
Okay.
William,
William.
the assistant.
Okay.
Yes.
It's very,
And
very
so
nice.
we have our dispenser here.
Okay. Fruits.
So here you select your favorite now.
Oh.
The one which you want. If
Okay.
you want passion, you
Okay.
just make
Passion.
the real thing now.
Oh, real thing
If
about
you
passion.
want passion, just blend for you.
Okay.
Oranges.
Okay.
Yes, we have banana,
Avocado.
carrots.
Oh.
So the juice which you want.
Okay.
Also,
I
we
love
can
this
mix.
one. This
The mint.
the mint.
Yes. So if you want it to be blended with the mint,
Yes.
we can also do.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Very-
We have-
Mojitos.
Yeah.
Mojito.
Yes.
I think I'll try mojito
Yeah.
as I wait for my friends. Okay.
So
So
this is the drinks now. We are selling our drinks.
yes.
So outside here,
Yes.
if you don't want inside,
Inside.
maybe you might take it hot.
Hot.
You can chill here.
Yes.
So we have the stage there.
Okay. Oh,
Uh,
over here.
on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
We have the show.
Oh, today is a Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Will
but
we have?
now,
Yes.
Since she's in Ramadan,
Okay.
she's not around.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but we normally have on Saturday,
Yes.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
From 8 p.m.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Very, very
So
nice.
there you can be able to enjoy the show, the
Uh-huh.
belly dancing.
The belly dancing.
Yes. As you are on here
Oh.
now is the
Istanbul Beach. Oh, cave.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go in and check. Oh.
So you can see from the entrance.
Yes.
How you see it's a nice view.
Okay.
Yes.
See, they're laughing a little bit.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm good. Thank you.
It's Flora.
Flora.
Assistant cave manager.
Oh, okay. I'm Claude Joseph. Nice to meet you. Oh, thank you. Nashkur, I see you have a very nice Turkish restaurant. You only prepare Turkish food?
No, we do have steak dishes and we have Swahili dishes.
Oh, Swahili dishes. Maybe I'll just check on it. As for now, I just trying to show my people from outside how everything is on. We always tell them that also in parts of Kenya, you're not suffering. You know, yeah, we are not suffering. You can also get this in your own place where you are. So when they come to Kenya, they can also come and enjoy their Turkish
Sure,
food
that's nice.
and very things. Yeah. So maybe something to say.
Have a seat and then I'll show you.
Okay, thank you, Mister.
Yes.
Willis, we can be with you today. Okay. So maybe
They are coming?
yes. Yeah, my friends are coming. So they went just to party in the water.
Okay.
And so I want just to check on what's happening, then giving them a quick tour of how everything is. Do you know when this started, Willis?
So actually it's a long time.
Okay.
Like over 40 years.
Over 40 years.
Yes.
And it's really
And it's a really cave.
it's a real cave, man. So when they say we are the
So
cavemen,
we decided because of the rain, we decided to put the roof.
oh,
now.
the roof,
Even
absolutely.
if it's rain,
Yes.
you are okay.
Oh, wow.
Inside.
Okay.
So this is our kitchen.
Okay, kitchen, and it's very, very nice. And also it shows the flag of
The flag of
Turkey. Oh, wow, very nice and great. So this is
even if
Istanbul.
it's hot,
Yes.
we have the fan.
The fan. It's very cool.
Yeah,
We really feel the
Yeah.
cave.
So when you come, you feel you are real in the real cave.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Thank you. Let me be here.
Okay.
I see what's happening, then I can maybe see what's on the other end.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Willis. Tuko pamoja.
I'm happy.
Haya.
Okay.
Sawa. Okay guys, let me check out the menu, what we have over here, and we check what's happening today. I told you it's one of the best places. We are here at Istanbul. It's one of the cave restaurants that we have here in Kenya, mostly in Mombasa, Kenya, and it's one of the best places, actually best. So I'm doing this so that I can show you the moment you'll be in Mombasa. Don't forget to pass by this place. It's called Istanbul Beach Cave and Restaurant. It have one of the best and great. They have best hospitality, actually. Going from the assistance people, they take you from the gate, assisting you, giving you the best place over here. So let's check on the menu what they have, then we can really try our everything. So we have the dessert here, the salads, and very nice. So we have this one. Okay, let me check. Ni gani inaweza kuwa the best?
So
Which is the best food for you?
this is our cold starter. For the cold starter, you can, if you are like 4 people, you can have the mixed meze. The
Mix-
mixed meze
yes.
comprises all of this now
Oh.
in one plate.
Okay.
Then it comes with a big bread.
Oh.
This is the bitter bread. Bitter bread.
Okay.
It's Turkish bread
Mhm.
with sim on top.
Oh.
Yes. So here you can have the hummus.
Okay.
Hummus is chickpeas with olive oil. The white wine, we have the chachik,
Okay.
yogurt and the cucumber blended together.
Okay.
We have the eggplant salad.
Okay.
Eggplant salad, just eggplant
Okay.
fried,
Okay.
top up with tomato base.
Oh wow.
There's also baba ganoush,
Okay.
which is eggplant mashed and enzyme spice.
Oh.
Enzyme spice is just the chilies,
Tomatoes.
they are
Oh,
blended
wow.
together. So
Wow.
this one is spicy.
Oh wow.
So for the starter,
Okay.
you can have this
We
one.
can start with this.
Yes.
So this one is for 4 or 3.
Yeah, it's allowed. It can
It's-
be for 4 or
Okay.
for 2.
Okay.
Yeah, because you just test you test just a little.
Okay. So I
Yes,
think
so-
I can have this.
Yes.
Then we can check. Let's continue
Yes.
with you. So because you are the one who I know,
Yeah.
Will is.
So yeah,
Yes.
we have 2 soups.
Mhm.
We have the lentil soup
Mhm.
and lamb tandoor soup.
Okay.
For the lentil,
Mhm.
it's just yellow lentil,
Mhm.
potato, carrot,
Mhm.
and for the lamb, it's lamb leg.
Okay.
Yeah. So you
Okay.
can say to have the lamb
Okay.
or lentil.
Or
For
lentil.
the vegetarian, they can have the lentil.
The lentil.
But if you are
No,
both,
both you can just
you
have
can
this.
have any of
Do you
them.
have mushroom soup?
We only have 2:
Okay, 2.
lentil soup
Mhm.
and lamb tandoor
And lamb.
soup.
Oh wow. Wow.
So after that, you can have the hot starter.
Okay.
Or
Let me
appetizer.
receive a call. Hello. Okay. I tell you guys, sometimes I feel very much okay to be around here. You know, promoting, being a tourist in your own country. Sometimes people feel like, oh, who's this guy? But it's well actually to help or to promote our own over here. So though it's maybe a Turkish one, but it's one of the best places I can recommend you to be in Mombasa. So wherever you are in Mombasa, it can be in Bamburi, you can also just board a motorbike or a tuk-tuk and just come over here. So today let us try the Turkish what we call like food over here, and we can see what will be. So I'll just give you the result, the end results. So they have a very nice food over here, very good. Sometimes I don't know even the names, so these guys are actually good at explaining, so he'll be explaining to us as we having this. So, and also I'll be giving you a quick tour for what's happening over here. And sure, you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave a sweet comment about what you are seeing over here. All right, have you seen them?
This one is, we are at the soups.
Yeah, we are at the soups and we said you don't have mushroom soup,
Yeah,
so
we
I
don't have.
preferred to have this one.
Yes.
And then yeah, in terms of the soup, okay, let's see. Yeah, tandoor, how does it taste?
It's nice. Just gonna taste the.
It's very
Lamb.
Turkish. You can put them the other side. Yeah, that joint. Okay, no, down. Okay, yeah, so let's try and see how it will be, and then we can check on this other end, and then it should be so much okay, guys. Also, this one really shows you we are in Turkey. So yeah, welcome, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, you can have a seat.
This is Istanbul.
Istanbul, yeah, yeah,
I'm in
yeah.
Asia.
You're in, you're in Turkey. How are you?
I'm fine.
You
bro.
good?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
Yes, guys, my name is Leach Edward.
So you feared the water?
No, I didn't fear the water.
Okay, your name is Leach Edward?
Leach Edward, you can check me there.
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, just subscribe.
Okay. Where's Charles?
Charles has gone to check for the motorbike.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
outside
fine.
there, but he's coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming. Okay.
Yes. So we have
So
flavor.
flavors, okay.
So we have lamajun.
Okay.
So for the lamajun, it's just beef meals.
Beef meals.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we have the mozzarella bide.
Mozzarella. But it looks small here. Will it come big?
It's big.
Can it be eaten by 3 or 2 or 1?
One.
One. Okay.
So every dish here
It's for one. Okay.
So there are flavors. We have this one is for cheese.
Okay.
This one is for beef and mince.
Okay.
This one is for minced beef,
Okay.
and this one is for feta cheese.
Feta cheese.
Yes.
Okay.
And also we have this.
Okay.
This is for chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken kudo.
Okay.
It's of chicken.
Okay.
Beef and cheese. So
Okay.
it's of beef and cheese.
Okay.
And we have the belena
Belena
So
tava.
this one you can have for main dish also.
Okay. This
which
is for
beef fillet.
beef fillet.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's for portion for one person.
Okay.
And we have the cottage cheese.
Mhm.
So this is for vegetarian.
Vegetarians.
It's our signature food.
Okay.
Which comes with flame.
Okay.
It comes with fire.
Oh, it comes with fire. Have you ever seen fire?
So I usually see in TikTok. And
People dance with it carving.
Yeah.
It comes with the
So-
flame. Okay.
There are 4 flavors.
Okay.
We have the cottage cheese
Okay.
sausage,
Okay.
which is now the cheese.
Okay.
It's mixed with baby potato,
Okay.
onion, mushroom,
Okay.
and oregano.
Okay.
And for the we have also chicken
Okay.
buffet.
Okay.
Chicken buffet
Mhm.
is just chicken breast
Okay.
cut into cubes,
Okay.
mixed with baby potato,
Okay.
onions, oregano.
Okay.
So all they have the toasted ingredients.
Yes.
But of people like we have the seafood buffet also.
Okay.
For the seafood buffet, it comprises of fish, prawns,
So prawns.
calamari,
Okay.
octopus.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have the beef buffet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So we'll bring the starter. Oh my God, guys! Look at this. Come on, man. You fry pepper.
So this one is
Yes.
like mayo.
Okay.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
With garlic.
Okay.
Yes.
This
This is chili pickles.
Okay.
This is barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
It's like tomato paste.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have the home sauce. Home sauce, it's hot sauce. This is just fresh chilies.
Come on.
blended.
Come on, man. We like
So
try fresh chilies.
If you want something spicy,
Okay.
something very hot,
Okay.
this is the one.
This is the hottest one.
Yeah, yeah. But this one is hot but mild.
Mild.
And also these two, they are sweet.
They are sweet.
When you taste, they are sweet.
They are sweet.
Yeah.
So-
So these two, they are spicy.
They are spicy.
And we have the pita bread. Pita bread is just tax bread with sim sim.
Okay.
So this is the bread at the top. This is the sim sim.
So you smear a little bit.
Your favorite sauce,
Okay.
and you
Then you take it.
Yes.
Okay.
So
fine.
this is the in-house stuff.
Okay.
We normally give.
Okay.
As you are waiting for the other one.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Let me just try this because my friends are not around. The moment they come, they can have what they want.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, I wanna try this. Actually, I've been told this is the bitter bread, and of course we have this. Let me show you. Of course we have this, but in Africa, this is the best. So this one can be used to cut and everything to be used, but I really prefer my hands, which are really nice and great. So let's try and see. On this end, we have this bitter bread, but on the other end, I'm not going to use this. Of course we have this, but let's try this. Let's try this. See?
Or you can have the fresh fruit. Kuna pineapple,
I've been told this is the bittest or like the sourest pepper ever seen. And also we have this one, it's kind of sweet, and this one it's pepper. So let's try and see what's happening over here. All right, let's see. It's kind of very nice, sweet,
Let me try the pepper. It's one of the craziest ever sweet. Ever sweet. This one is very sweet compared to this one, and this one it's mild. So let's enjoy it. I'll give you the end product. Okay, have it a taste. Let's just have a taste and we tell you. Okay, have a taste. How does it taste? So this one is more of pepper, and this one is so sweet. This one is pounded pepper. So the moment you try it,
yeah, but it's very, very, very sweet.
Yeah.
It's the first time to taste these things here.
Okay.
It's very sweet, very delicious.
oh wow,
Yeah.
Alij.
Yeah, these things are so sweet. Yeah, they are somehow so not so sweet like sugar.
So this is called sour bread. It's more of a Turkish one.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're very Istanbul.
Yeah, Istanbul,
Yeah.
in Turkey. Okay, try it and we see.
It is nice.
Okay.
But what is the mix of these?
This is mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise,
You
what
know
is it?
mayonnaise?
No, I don't know. It's the first time to
Even
come
me, I
in
don't
this
know
big
what-
restaurant here.
I don't know even what I'm eating.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys! I think the title of this video, it can be taking my friend to try new things. I man, you don't know what mayonnaise is?
I don't know.
It's like a cream, ni kama cream ya ng'ombe, but something
Like milk,
yeah, like milk.
fermented milk.
Yeah,
or
something
what?
like that.
Oh,
But
okay.
there's some
That's
different.
how it tastes. They
Yep.
have sour. It's
Yeah.
just tasting sour.
Yeah, we have sour, we
taste.
have sweet mayonnaise, but mayonnaise is just mayonnaise.
And what is this?
This is tomato paste, sweet tomato paste, and we have pounded roasted pepper, and this one they cook pepper, so you can
Do you
take
eat
and
it?
yeah, you eat it.
Just eat
Just
one.
try.
So
Try
this
it.
one
Yeah.
you can, because this one you have the bread, which is it's called literally called how do you call it? Sour bread. So you can also chew this.
Oh,
Yeah. You know the reason being it's not bitter. It's mild because of this. So the
let me try one. Because
the small one.
the small one.
Yeah. I don't want you to cough. So if you want, you chew it and then you use this one.
I want to chew.
Chew. My friend tries the pepper for the first time and is feeling like crying. Cut the bread.
Maybe I don't want to taste.
Give me a knife. Give me a
Okay.
knife.
No, eat the bread. Don't worry.
Never try.
Never
Don't
try.
Don't try at home. don't.
My friend's reaction when they tried the Turkish food for the first time. Right. Huh?
You are so surprised.
I'm surprised, mister. But you just lied for you just lied.
Why?
You say that these are
Because you have to check with this. You see this one?
yeah?
This one, it's like vinegar. You know vinegar?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
know.
So this one, the moment you put vinegar, neutralizes the pepper. Yeah. You did home science. I hope you have to know these things.
Let me neutralize that bitterness in my
Neutralize
mouth.
with this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. To be better. Alright guys, so let's wait and see what's happening. There's a dish for me and you see what's happening again. Okay. Oh, so this is mix maze.
Yes.
So it was better, man. It was not, there was no need of me having the other one. So but it's better. Oh, okay. So this one, the other one, the one that we tried was the small version of this.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, man. So
this is now the mixed maize.
okay,
Yeah, it's the pita bread
okay,
with simsim.
okay,
And now here
okay,
we have the chickpeas.
okay.
We have chachik.
Okay.
So chachik is yogurt and the cucumber.
Oh, cucumber.
Blended together. And we have the eggplant salad.
Okay,
Which is eggplant
Okay.
fried.
okay.
As for the yogurt.
Yogurt, okay,
And the tomato paste.
okay,
Here we have the baba and some spice.
okay.
And some spice.
The same spices like this, but this one are
Yeah.
it's we say them high class. high class enzymes.
Actually, it's like the same.
It's like the
but
same.
this one very hot than this.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
And then we have the baba ganoush.
Oh, okay.
Baba ganoush is just eggplant
Okay.
mashed.
Okay.
And then green.
Baba ganoush, guys,
Baba ganoush.
is the eggplant mashed,
Eggplant,
which is mashed.
tomato.
Have you ever tried eggplant?
These are the- I'm hearing them for the first
Hey,
time.
my friends.
Biringanya.
Yes,
Biringanya.
biringanya.
Oh,
Biring-
biringanya.
Eh,
Yeah,
Hey, bro, welcome, welcome,
in
welcome.
Turkish, hiyo majina ya Turkish.
Yeah,
ziko
Turkish.
shule hiyo. Ile tu tunajua ni
Okay.
majina tu ndio.
Majina tu. Okay, let us dish in.
Zenye tumezoea.
Okay, sawa, wacha tu dish in.
Sawa, karibu.
Asante
So
bro.
hapo unagusa tu ile yenye uko sawa nayo.
Unakula.
Kisonga.
Okay.
Juice hivi.
It's coming.
Juice
It's
inaendana
coming.
na-
It's coming.
Ah,
Yeah,
sawa,
so
karibuni.
asante man. Okay, so guys, here's where now we see, because we have this one. Of course, we have this in Africa, but it's good to use this. Of course, we have serviettes, but it's good to use. But anyway, let's try this, and we see. I took my friends actually to a what you call like a Turkish restaurant, and this happened. This is the title. So let's try and see what's happening, bro. You can chop chop. Let's see how the village boys we are here enjoying. Okay?
Let's
Okay.
enjoy.
Don't worry. Unaweza kata tu usiwaze. It's good to learn. We are learning every single day.
By the way.
So don't get yourself like, oh, why? So it's just like you can have it. You can put something like this to avoid sogeza hiyo. So take this side, this side, and then this bread can be somewhere, and then this way pull it back, and then this back. So you can just have a portion of this at your plate, like just like that. A portion of also something like this at your plate, just like something to avoid kurusha rusha. You can also have a portion of this at your plate. So this one is the bitter. Hii ni pilipili, so I don't want you to take this and then you cry. Okay, so enjoy bro, enjoy. So let me have this and see. Okay, it's self-service bro. It's usually so nice. It's very nice. Just have it there. Just chop it. That's pepper.
That's piri-piri.
Kidogo. I love it but small.
Okay.
Not a lot. And what is this, bro? How did
That's
he get it?
chicken.
Okay, so you can taste.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Something like that. And then we enjoy. Alright guys. See you. Okay, Sunkist Sama. That's so nice. It's actually made of honey. I feel
Us, mango juice,
okay.
blue coffee,
Okay.
Sprite.
Okay. Oh, I could have told you to, instead of putting Sprite, you put something alcoholic.
Alcoholic.
Yeah, but I failed to tell you. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
this is the Evans.
Evans. Okay. That's so nice,
You like
guys.
it, bro? Pineapple.
I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying, really?
But it's good.
This looks like
So for this one, if you want something, we can talk.
no, it's okay. No, it's okay. This is better. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Let us enjoy.
Okay, welcome.
So guys, this one looks like injera. You know injera?
I don't know.
Injera is a Ethiopian food. Yeah.
Hindi rin kami natawala eh. Hindi ato tatali.
Party with that. Every round. Yeah, so guys, we are enjoying this food, and it's one of the best over here. It's called Turkish cuisine. So first time in Kenya trying Turkish cuisine, So for the Turkey people watching this, I'm in Turkey, Istanbul, but it's literally located in Kenya, Mombasa place. So if you wanna be coming over here, just say Claude. I watch this boy called Claude Joseph, and this is how he treating us. So when you come here, I'll give you the name of the food that you'll order and try, and also give a recommendation about it, and also what we call like leave a comment about it. I brought my friends to try it. My friend got promoted, so this is like his last supper with us. So he'll be traveling to Lam.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be traveling to Lam. So we'll be remaining over here. So yeah, so let's enjoy. And with me, I'm still eating, so the appetite is still appetizing. So all right, let's see. Presentation of this. It's called Pelentava.
Yes. The big fillet.
Pelentava.
Yes.
Guys, we are eating things that we don't even know. Pelentava.
It's look like a corn.
What is this?
So this is lavas.
Oh, lavas?
Lavas.
Okay. Look at my friend, now he's being shocked. What is this?
Oi.
You are in Turkey now.
We are in Turkey now.
Without passport,
Without passport, without visa.
Yes.
Without flight.
In Swahili they say jogora kijijini haiwiki mjini. This is that you go kijijini.
Yeah.
But in mjini you don't say anything.
Just wondering.
What is Pelentava?
I thought that it will be coming with some
Ugali.
big ugali here.
But just what this?
Now you are not in Kenya now. You are in Turkey. In Turkey this is how we
present food.
present it now.
There's no ugali in Turkey.
We have ugali. But if you want ugali, we also
We come with its own sauce, not this one.
Okay.
All right. So this is the
Once we
presentation.
take this with bread, it will nice.
Okay.
With ugali for that you can take with steak,
Okay.
with something else. But
Oh,
for
wow.
this one it will be nice with
Okay. Oh, nice. Guys, this is only in Istanbul. Okay, let's go.
Welcome, enjoy.
Okay, thank you. So everyone is trying Pelentava.
But it's meat.
It's beef, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So try it. You have tried its beef. How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's nice.
It's nice. All right.
Yeah.
So also let me have more of this. Pelentava. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. So the meal was so nice and great. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Yeah, the meal was so nice.
Eh.
Very mouth-watering.
You
Yeah.
really enjoyed.
Yeah. Being in Turkey without
Felt you are in Turkey.
a passport.
Yes. Without a visa.
Absolutely. And anyway, guys, do Kenyans need a visa to Turkey? Not really, not necessary. We don't need a visa going to Turkey. So that's actually, Turkey has been one of my dream country. It's on the bucket list. Maybe after the baby is maybe 1 year or maybe half a year. Maybe 1 year we can start maybe even resuming back to traveling. We can start doing some traveling little by little as we see how everything is. So this is the warm-up of traveling. Anyway, I have with my friends. Maybe they can tell us how everything has been.
Okay, as I introduced before, my name is Charlie B here. My friend just surprised me to be in this Turkish, I can call it Turkish restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, I have tasted several foods. Some are bitter, some are sour. Yeah, but my stomach is full now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I thank you very much. Thank you very much. Just ensure that if you are not subscribed to Claude CJ, yeah,
Claude
YouTube
Joseph.
channel, Claude Joseph channel, just ensure that you hit that subscription button.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
And also
So guys, I'm very happy. I've eaten Pelentava.
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 Yeah.
Turkish
These are
food.
some- Yeah.
So I'm very so happy because this is just a surprise from my friend Claude Joseph.
Okay.
Just support him by subscribing and also like the video.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, brother. Today I was in Turkey by stomach.
You
without a passport.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, man. Guys, that is Rich Edward. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. And thank you so much, guys. Ensure subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. And this is how you see this. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is it. They have been also offered to be given free Turkish tea. So we're going to have some Turkish tea outside. So that's one of the great way. And this is how you see the restaurant. And also we have another beautiful glory. We are running away. Why? Glorious. You're now nervous. It's fine. You okay?
I'm very much.
Okay. Anyway, you can tell people about this restaurant and maybe represent the staff on behalf and tell them maybe is it a good restaurant or not.
Well, of course, yes. So my name is Glorious, Istanbul manager.
Okay.
So we are so delighted to have Joseph in charge.
So guys, I'm with the manager over here. Oh, I never knew that. Oh my god. Nice meeting you. Let me shake your hand.
So we are so delighted to have Joseph here. We are glad, and you guys should definitely visit us. We are Istanbul Beach Cave Restaurant located inside Pride Flamingo, Shanzu, Mombasa. Karibuni sana. Be sure to look for me and everyone else in here. We're ready to see you.
Come one, come all.
Come on, come on. Karibuni sana.
Asante sana. It's very nice, guys. So ensure if you are be coming to Kenya and you're like, Claude, check us in Flamingo Pride Inn. You'll be here and you'll be able to meet our beautiful, pretty,
And many more.
glorious, and many more. She's the manager here, actually. Thank you so much, and bye, guys. Okay. It's a better way, so you have to leave the feedback form, which is good and great. I just wrote my things, which is good. Anyway, fine.